Hi there, welcome back. Episode 11 of Who the Heck is Nat. This video is going to explain how to buy ETH in Metamask, send it to your Exodus wallet, and exchange it for a different cryptocurrency, in this case, Tron. So let's begin. Alright, so here I'm going to open my Metamask wallet. Now, I have downloaded the Metamask extension for Brave, which is the browser I prefer to use. You can also do this for Google Chrome. So you're able to download that wallet for Google Chrome or Brave. When you do so, you will be given a 12-seed phrase. That needs to be kept safe, kept private. Do not lose it. It is very important. It's important that I let everybody know that my videos are for entertainment purposes only and are not financial advice. So, here we go. So here you see my MetaMask wallet is pulled up. I'm on the Ethereum mainnet, which if you click the drop down here, you can choose other networks, but Ethereum mainnet is where we want to be. Now, I already have the Ethereum loaded here that I would like to use. But if you needed to make a deposit into MetaMask, you would click here to buy and continue to wire. Directly deposit Ethers if you already have some ETH. This is the quickest way to get it into your account. If you're buying, you're going to continue to wire. MetaMask also does have a mobile version, which I also have as well. I do like using MetaMask. It's a good wallet in my opinion. Okay, here goes. So we have ETH here, which I would like to send. But before you click that send, you need another piece of information. So we're going to be sending the Ethereum to our Exodus wallet. And I'm going to open up Exodus. And here is Exodus. Exodus, same thing. Your Exodus wallet, you're going to need to have that 12-seed phrase. Keep it safe, keep it private, keep it. Don't lose it. Very important. Okay, so once you open up your Exodus wallet, you see here I use 3 different assets within Exodus. I use ETH, Tron, and BNB. So, excuse me, if you see my eyes glare to the side, I'm checking out the baby monitor, making sure my daughter's okay. So just bear with me there. All right. So here we're going to go into ETH and we scroll down here, Ethereum, and receive. Now, if you're using a mobile device, you can scan this code here. In our case, we're not. So we are going to copy this address. Now, very, very important. Make sure that you are sending to the correct wallet. So what I do is I look at the wallet address. I don't memorize the entire number because I'm not that good. But I do my best to confirm like first four, last four. OX4, A239, something like that. So I do a copy, and there's also another safety net I use, which I'll show you in just a moment. We're going to open up MetaMask. Click on send. Now I do also have my wallet saved, my Exodus wallet saved, as you can see here in that Exodus, which also makes me feel a lot more comfortable because I am very, very safe about sending money between my wallets and triple checking that address. So we are going to paste the address here, and as you can see, it already came up Nat Exodus. And again, I don't have this entire number memorized, obviously, and if I have any doubts, I just go back again. If you have a doubt, don't do the transaction. Go back to my Exodus. Okay, yes, that looks right. 4962FA. And if I have to go back and forth over and over again just to make sure that this looks right, that's what I do. If you have to copy and paste it into, you know, a Microsoft Word doc or a notepad just to make sure that everything looks right, whatever you have to do to make sure those addresses match. Very important. So that address matches, and we are going to tell Metamask how much we want them to send. Now if you look here, it's automatically for me comes up on ETH first, but we're going to swap and we're going to put this into US dollars. So we're still trading ETH, but I would prefer to read it in dollars for right now. And I would like to transfer 100 US dollars, whoops, and that's 0.056338 ETH, right? So we're going to click, this is average speed, and we're going to click next. And it's telling us this is the gas fee. So the gas fee is $4.81, totaling $104.81. Confirm. And again, I will take a quick peek up here. Does everything look correct? Yes, it does. Excellent. Again, hesitant. Pull this up. Okay. OX488. Okay. D0C. Okay. Good. Looks good. Now, here we go. Confirm. Ding. It's there. Okay. So let's close this out. And you can't see it, but on the bottom of my screen I did get a notification that popped up. And as you can see here, everything is confirmed. So we now have $101.99 of Ethereum here. So pretty easy, pretty quick, which is very nice. The little bit slower part that I have found is when you do the exchange. So now we want to exchange the Ethereum to Tron. So this button here is your exchange button. So we're exchanging Ethereum, not to Bitcoin, so we need to drop this down. And there's a search box here, and you can type in Tron, TRX, TRO, there it is, comes up for you. So we have $95.98 that we can work with here, because as I'm sure many of you know, Ethereum takes their fees, right? So and what we're going to do is I would like to send $75 over to Tron. Now, I don't want $70 in Tron. I want $75 in Tron. So what we're going to do is put it to 80, and okay, great. That'll give me $75.45 because of fees. You know, there's always some fees when you make these transactions, either to ETH or to Tron, whoever it is. You're paying a little something. So we're going to make the exchange. You will receive $75.44, which is 1,406 Tron. Now you can choose to start a new exchange, and Exodus tells us in 30 minutes or less your Tron will arrive. And as I said, that's the part that's a little more delayed with Exodus is making that exchange. So I've seen it happen as quick as 10 minutes. I've seen it as slow as that 30-minute mark. So that's about that for tonight's video. So a quick recap. If you open your Metamask wallet and buy Ethereum through wire, you'll have to input your personal information, your method of payment. Once you have your Ethereum in your Metamask wallet, you're going to send Before you can send, you obviously need your wallet address, which you can get in Exodus. And you're going to click here, excuse me. Here we go. Wrong one. All right. Receive. Copy that address. Quadruple check that it is correct in the Ethereum mainnet MetaMask wallet. and then send it on over. Choose your amount. Next. Again, always triple checking that wallet number is correct. And that about covers it for buying ETH in Metamask and making the exchange in Exodus. And I hope you have a good day, a good night, a good morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I will see you again soon. Thank you.